What is a virtual open house? A virtual open house provides an online platform for prospective buyers to get a better view of a property. It is a fascinating technology equipped with 3D and a 360-degree visual field, which real estate agents can use to showcase your property. So why should you pick a real estate agent who offers this feature in your home marketing plan? The first reason is an online presence. A recent study revealed that a staggering 80% of buyers find their dream home online, which means your property will have a competitive edge with a virtual open house. Secondly, convenience. With virtual open house tours, your potential buyers won't need to stick to your time schedule, and it reduces the hassle of making multiple trips for out-of-town buyers. No cancellations. From a snowstorm to a punctured tire, nothing can stop your buyers from looking at your property. Fateful events can cause physical open houses to be canceled once in a while, so virtual tours save you from unexpected losses. Better exposure, since the virtual showing puts your property with all its intricate details on the global map. This enables people from across the world to join your pool of potential buyers. Saves you the trouble of dealing with window shoppers, which is a persistent problem in the case of physical open houses. No more casual inquiries. Only when the potential buyer gets a good sense of your property and are genuinely interested will they contact you. Minimize showings. Frequent open houses can be time-consuming and stressful, especially when you have kids and pets. With a virtual open house, you only have to keep it tidy once for the photos.